Well, I don't know what the plan is for the Amish. Maybe they're only going to bale some of it today. I'm not sure. Or he had to go do his field and they'll be back. But they baled about 2/3 of my property. I'm sorry. They raked about 2/3 of my property this morning. This is all still laying. They tedded it the other day. And yeah, it's all raked up now, and they'll probably be over this afternoon to bale. But it's nice and dry, not much moisture in it. I'll have to get a moisture tester eventually to actually see what the percentage is. But yeah, some alfalfa and some timothy and windrows, and then we'll have that baled up, and then we'll work on the other fields. That one field's kind of trash hay. I might bale it and just take it to an auction, see what it brings, but I got to get it off, and I can't just leave it in the field. So yeah, working out pretty nice. All right, he's pumping out a lot of bales. I'm gonna be moving hay bales forever, 2 at a time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put I have 4-inch limestone left. I'm gonna make a track here and start stacking. I got 2 bale spears today, one quick attach for the front and one 3-point for the back that I can also use on my skid steer. And I'm gonna start stacking these bales. I just got a billboard tarp. I'll show you that. It's 20 foot by 60 foot, like 12 to 15 mil, 12 or 14 mil, I'm not sure. And I'm gonna tarp all this hay, and we're not supposed to have any rain for a while, so I should be good, but we'll see here. Got the T4 100 out here. I just went to New Holland and picked up. They've obviously been sitting outside for a little while. The bale spears are kind of dull and paint wise and rusty, but I got this quick attach bale spear that I can use on the tractor on the front, and I can also put it on my skid steer. And then I picked up a 3-point bale spear that I can put on the back, so I can haul 2 bales. Raking and baling at the same time. We're gonna get a lot of bales out of here. It's awesome. It's a nice baler. It's got a good looking net wrap bale. Have to see what the model is. It's really nice. Alright, we got the bale spear on the front and the back. There's a little bit of a fitting issue on I don't know, probably because it was made in India, the tolerances. I can't lock my levers on it. I mean, it's on there secure, but I'm gonna have to mess with that. Peter's back with the baler. He must have got whatever resolved, so he's going at it again, and I'm getting these bales picked up.
Yard line, so that's exactly the kind of kick you want.
The bale spears are working out good. I'm happy to see how many bales we have. There's a ton of hay here.
That was a good drive.
remember that you can count on Cox Garage Doors to be there for you 24/7. Call them anytime, and you'll talk with someone live, not just a recording. Visit coxgaragedoors.com for the location nearest you. Cox Garage Doors, beautiful doors, unbeatable service.
Willie, 95.1.
Here's the gravel pad here's the gravel pad I put down to set some hay on. To put hay on. Just hopefully help keep the hay off the ground a little bit.